Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hello, my name is Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to introduce people to each other. Now, let's listen to some conversations.
Hi.
嗨，他是谁？他是我们班新来的同学。来，我介绍你们认识。
好，
李静，这是张毅，他是我们班新来的同学。张毅，这是李静，他是我的好朋友，他是3班的学生。
你好，张毅，欢迎你来我们学校。你喜欢这里吗？
你好，李静，我很喜欢这个学校。
你以前是哪个学校的？
我以前是第3中学的。嗨，
他是谁？他是我们班新来的同学。来，我介绍你们认识。
好，
李静，这是张毅，他是我们班新来的同学。张毅，这是李静，他是我的好朋友，他是3班的学生。
你好，张毅，欢迎你来我们学校。你喜欢这里吗？
你好，李静，我很喜欢这个学校。
你以前是哪个学校的？
我以前是第3中学的。
Vocabulary 新 new. For example, 他是我们班新来的同学。Literally, he is our class newcomer student. He is a new student in our class. More examples. 今天我们有2个新同学。Today, we have 2 new classmates. 介绍 to introduce. 我想给你介绍一个朋友。Literally, I would like to you introduce a friend. I would like to introduce a friend to you. More examples. 来，我介绍你们认识。Literally, come, I introduce you to know. Come, I will introduce you to each other. 认识 to know someone, to have met someone. For example, 你认识他吗？Do you know him as have you met him? 不认识 No, I don't. More examples. 你认识王老师吗？ Do you know Teacher Wang as have you met Teacher Wang? 认识 Yes, I do. Important note here. When you want to say Do you know Teacher Wang as have you met Teacher Wang? This note here is translated as 认识。But if you want to say, do you know where mom is? This note is translated as 知道, as knowing some information. If you accidentally translate this sentence, do you know Teacher Wang as 你知道王老师吗? This is still a correct sentence, but it means have you heard about Teacher Wang, not as have you met Teacher Wang. 欢迎 to welcome. For example, 欢迎你来北京。Literally, welcome you come Beijing. Welcome to Beijing. 欢迎你来我们学校。Literally, welcome you come our school. Welcome to our school. 这里 here or this place. For example, 你喜欢这里吗？ Do you like it here? 这里有一个学校。Literally, here there is a school. There is a school here. 很 very. For example, 我很喜欢这个学校。I like this school very much. 哥哥很想去北京工作。Older brother really wants to work in Beijing. Now let's look at the 2 usages of 很. The first one is a filler. We have talked about this one before. In these situations, 我很饿 I'm hungry. 今天很热 Today is hot. 他很高 He's tall. 这个房间很乱 This room is messy. In these situations, 很 is used as a filler because if you say 我饿 or 今天热 or 他高这个房间乱 it sounds like some verbs are missing the to be verb. So we use this 很 to fill in that to be verb. The second situation, 很 is actually used as very. For example, 我很喜欢吃鸡蛋 I like eating eggs very much. in this situation, 喜欢 is a verb, and in this sentence, nothing is missing, so 很 can only be there to describe the extent of this verb. So 很 is very. Another example, 我很不喜欢这个地方. I really don't like this place. 很 is also used as a very. When 很 is used as a filler and when is used as a very, it's really tricky because it really depends on the context. Most of the time, when 很 is put in front of an adjective like 热, or 高, it's really just there to fill in the position of that to be verb, so it's used as a filler. 哪, which. The sentence structure is like this: subject plus verb plus which plus measure word plus noun. For example, 你喜欢哪只狗? Literally, you like which measure word? Dog. Which dog do you like? 你以前是哪个学校的学生? Literally, you before are which measure word school student? Which school did you go to in the past? 你要吃哪个面包? Literally, you want to eat which measure word bread? Which bread do you want to eat? Now, let's have a sum up of 哪. The first use is where. For example, 我的手机在哪里? Where is my cell phone? The second one is which. For example, 你喜欢哪个手机? Which cell phone do you like? 中学 middle school. For example, 我是中学学生. I am a middle school student. Note here that colloquially, the second 学 is often skipped. So, 我是中学生. I am a middle school student. D, number. For example, 我是第三中学的学生. I am a number 3 middle school student. 今天是我工作的第一天. Literally, today is my job's first day. Today is my first day at work. 是的, this is a grammatical pattern to emphasize certain information. The sentence structure is like this: subject plus 是 plus information to be emphasized plus 的. For example, 我以前是第三中学的. I was from number 3 middle school. So here, the sentence is emphasizing 第三中学, number 3 middle school. More examples. 我是走路去学校的. I walked to school. So, 走路去学校 is what they want to emphasize in this sentence. 我是上个月来的. I came last month. 上个月 is what they want to emphasize. Now it's time for a culture tip. In China, middle school is divided into 2 parts. The first one is 初中 junior high school. 初中 includes 初一, 初二, and 初三. 初一 is roughly equivalent to grade 7, and 初二 is equivalent to grade 8. 初三 is equivalent to grade 9. 高中 is senior high school, which includes 高一, which is equivalent to grade 10, and 高二, which is equivalent to grade 11, and 高三, which is equivalent to grade 12. 高三 is the last year of high school. After this, students either take a college entrance exam, which is known as 高考, or choose other paths. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!